Love how shimmery and fancy this one looks. Such a classy pair of black boots. This one is so sturdy and such great quality. Perfect color for winter season. What a classic pair of black boots. Hello everybody, my name is Purva. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So जैसा कि आपने टाइटल से पढ़ लिया होगा, today is also going to be another haul video which is going to be very exciting. तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है Myntra boots haul. So I have about 5 amazing boots to show you guys. I'm sure if you guys are looking to sort of buy some nice footwear, some nice boots, this video is definitely for you क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत अच्छे pieces है. All these pieces literally tick off everything in the checklist. Affordable भी है, अच्छे दिखते भी है, stylish है, trendy है, very very good quality. So I feel like you will definitely find something for yourself in this video. And if you're interested in something like that, definitely keep on watching. And without making this intro any more longer, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys. So I have my first piece right over here. So this is a pair of lovely looking black boots. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, the quality is absolutely to die for. Like, look at this piece. It looks so rich, so classy. Like the design, the heel, even the shape that it has from the front as well as from the side. बहुत ही अच्छा है. So let me just show you what it looks like up close. So this is what it looks like. Has a really nice chain over here, very good quality. यहाँ पर ऐसा पट्टा है and then it goes to this side, which is the outer part. And यहाँ पर there is some nice silver hardware given, which is really good. Looks very classy. बहुत minimal रखा है इसका design. आगे से भी आप देख सकते हैं, it's pointed, it's nice, it's extremely good looking, so classy, so sharp, with all your New Year outfits, your Christmas outfits, this pair of boots is definitely gonna go. So that's what it's gonna look like. And this is the outer part of the boots and this is the inner part of the boots. This one is from a brand called Yoho. So the heel is a proper block heel and as you can see, ऊपर से थोड़ा पतला है, नीचे जाके हल्का सा ये broad हो जाता है. So that is really going on nowadays and it won't even budge your feet, You will be very, very comfortable in it. बहुत ज़्यादा heel भी नहीं है. And of course, there's a zip to put your feet in very, very seamlessly. तो वो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है. This one is definitely my favorite pick from all of these 5. इसलिए मैंने ये पहले ही दिखा दिया आपको because I really love it. And it is in the color black, which again is one of my favorite colors ever. This is what the next pair of boots look like. This one is a really nice cream color, beige color as you can call it. And बहुत ही अच्छी gold detailing दी गई है on the side of course. ये अंदर का part है. Now again there's a really nice zip given in the same beige color. And ऐसे पट्टी है and this side, the outer side there's some nice gold hardware detailing given which looks really good, really rich again. I wanted to keep it extremely versatile ताकि आप कुछ भी पहने तो उसके नीचे ये जाना ही चाहिए, So these are kind of no-brainer pieces, even the black one, even this one and all the ones that are coming now. They're very minimal, very versatile and I feel like you can just put these on. Like you don't really have to think about क्या outfit पहना उस पे जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा. Definitely जाएगा. And छोटा सा heel दिया गया है, block heel है, so it's going to keep you comfortable and it's going to give you great support. सामने से इसका shape कुछ ऐसा दिखता है and it's really really nice. That's when I zoom in and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the sides. This is what it looks like from the inside. इस brand का नाम है The Roadster Life Co. If you're looking for a lighter shade of boots, beige, white, something like that, this is the pair that you should go for. Lovely, super versatile, and honestly, you can go out with so many different outfits. Next up, my third pair of boots look like this. Look at the gorgeous brown, chocolate brown color actually. ये color भी बहुत in trend है this particular winter season and this color like a cherry red color. These are colors which are extremely trendy, look really really good and honestly when it comes to boots, something like boots, something on the feet, ऐसे colors बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे दिखते हैं and they almost go with every outfit that you pick out. Really good quality as you can see. Slightly more heel than I think ये सबसे ज़्यादा heel इसी में है in my entire haul. This is the max amount of heel that I've kept. If somebody is particularly looking for boots with heels, and this is definitely a really good pick. Now इसका zip जो है ये पीछे आता है again in the same brown color and इस पे ऐसा कुछ मतलब detailing नहीं दिया है, कुछ hardware नहीं है. Only on the outer side यहाँ पर उनका logo है. That's kind of it in the I think it's gold, yeah. There's nothing else. It's very standard, very classic. नीचे से भी as you can see बहुत ही अच्छा support दिया गया है. Very thick sole, and even the whole heel is very nice and block heel है, तो comfortable तो definitely रहेगा. Look at the quality. Very sturdy. Shape भी बहुत अच्छा है. आगे से एक हल्का सा oval curve shape दिया गया है इसको. It's not pointy. very good. बाजू से ऐसा कुछ दिखता है from the outer part, and this is what it looks like from the inside. इसका zip, as I told you, पीछे से है. I forgot to mention these brown boots are from a brand called El Paso, जिसका मैं logo आपको दिखा रही थी यहाँ पर. So this is what the next pair of boots look like. I love the color. It's extremely nice. It has a little bit of shine, as you can see. So I wanted to include something which is a little bit like a little more fancier and stuff like that. So this one is a perfect piece. Again, the heel is very, very similar to the first one. उसमें भी ऊपर नैरो था, हल्का सा नीचे जाके थोड़ा सा ब्रॉड हो जाता है. This one is an extremely light shade of golden, you can call it, and it's too good. सामने से it's pointy, which I really like, gives it so much more character. Now this one does not really have a zip or anything like that. If you can see, ये जो साइड के इन्होंने फ्लैप्स दिए हैं, it is pretty stretchable. इसी में इलास्टिक दी गई है, so you can easily slip your feet inside of this. I wore it very very seamlessly and it was great. वरना मैं आपको ये recommend भी नहीं कर रही होती. And I feel like again for all your Christmas and New Year outfits, because it's a little shimmery and fancy, I feel like it's the perfect pair of boots and it'll definitely go on most of our outfits. And can we also take a moment for the packaging? Like look at this. तो अंदर बेसिकली उन्होंने ये प्रॉपर शेपर डाला है उसका, एंड उसके अंदर भी देयर इज लाइक अ कार्डबोर्ड, एज यू कैन सी, लाइक दिस इज द कार्डबोर्ड एंड दिस इज द पेपर इनसाइड, एंड यहाँ पे अगेन देयर इज अ पीस ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड. दिस वन इज Dressberry. It's from a brand called Dressberry. My last pair of boots is also from the same brand like the brown one. It's called El Paso, right? And this one is also absolutely amazing. It's a classic black piece. You cannot go wrong with it. And it's so, so good. Let me just quickly show you what this one looks like. It's more of like a rider, like rider boots or bike boots, or something extremely sporty, something extremely like chill, sporty, casual. That's the vibe. I wanted to include a pair of casual boots as well for your everyday errands, everyday use. This is definitely something you can opt for because of how amazing it is. It's firstly flat. नीचे से बस बहुत ही sturdy sole है. That is the sole, right? So it's very very sturdy, the sole. So it's going to keep your feet intact. And yeah, that's what it looks like from the inside. And this is what it looks like from the outside. यहाँ पर laces दिए गए हैं. It's makes it very easy for you to put your feet in. Look at the quality of this particular product. It's so good. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा stitching का detail दिया गया है. And the back as well. And even here on the sides. So yeah, makes it a little more funky, a little more chill. इसमें I think they also have a white color which looks absolutely fab as well. मैंने website पर देखा था तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा था. In case you want like flat, pair of boots in white, I think that is definitely a really good option. मैं वो भी link कर दूंगी आप लोग के लिए नीचे, so you can check it out. And we're done with all 5 pairs of boots. I absolutely love all 5 of them. मैं आपके लिए सब कुछ ही नीचे लिंक कर दूंगी. There'll be one link. If you just click on that, आपको ये सारे options दिख जाएंगे. So you can definitely go ahead and have a look. If you're traveling to like a snowy location or to the mountains or something like that, I feel like you can go for something which has a little lesser heel rather than ज़्यादा heel because that's more comfortable. But if you're just looking to shop for like the party season, Christmas, New Year season, then I think all of these are a good pick. And yeah, that's kind of it. That brings us to the end of this video. You will find all the links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and watched it this far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment your favorite piece in the comments below, and share it with your friends and family. I will definitely come back soon with a very exciting video for you guys. Until then, you guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.